Here we are in the 3B trophy. Let's take a look at number 8, A minor position. We're also going to look at number 9, Little Joe, and number 10, Schmitty Schmo. Okay, so A minor position. First minor position we learned was the C minor position, which had two flats actually. Now A minor position, just like C major position, has 0 sharps and 0 flats. So we're going to put our thumb on A and our pinky on A. 0 sharps and 0 flats. Same thing with the chords. Okay, so that is our A minor position. Let's go over this exercise. What this exercise is doing is it's working on jumping through your A positions, all of them. So you have boom, 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 boom. Well, I don't know about that high, but it has this one and this one for sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and just go through it. It's not too hard.
1, 2, set, go.
Do the same thing just up here. 6th interval, 5th interval. Jump up here, 6th interval. Okay, so let's move on to Little Joe. This one is just working on trying to read the A minor position a little bit better. So we have, in the A minor position, we actually have a couple letter lines because we have to be playing A and B as well. So our thumb is on A and our pinky is on E. Thumb on A, pinky on E. And we play all of the notes in between, okay? So we have da, da, or da, da. We've actually done this one in the previous exercise as well in level 2. So if you remember it, then perfect. Now the thing is, with this one, you're not just done after you have these 2 lines. You have to play the high A position, high A minor position as well. So you're here, and then as well as you have to do the same thing up here, okay?
1, 2,
so it doesn't
set,
make it that
go.
easy. Here. Okay, so that's that one. It's not too hard, especially after you get this rhythm of switching back and forth from the 5th and 6th interval. It's just a matter of reading your right hand. Okay, so let's move on to Schmitty Schmo. Schmitty Schmo, okay? Now, we have blocked with the right hand, and we have to work on, A minor. Blocked with the right hand, and we have to work on our chords right there, okay? All right, so I'm just going to go through, play the left hand. So we have our 5th finger on A, B, C, B, C, B, A, or E, D, C, D, C, B, C, D, da, 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 da. And now you have that whole song right there. Da, 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 da. Repeat it, and you're going to be playing it down here. Okay, so work on getting just the left hand first and then the right hand. Let's do the right hand. So we have up here 5/7 chord or an open chord, and then we have our first chord and then a 5/7 chord or the squish chord, and then our 3rd interval, then our 2nd interval, then our 3rd interval, and then our 5th interval, 2nd interval. So it repeats. So the whole song pretty much has our 5th interval, 2nd interval, 3rd interval, 2nd, 3rd. So 5th, and then it repeats 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this.
1, 2, set, go.
Second interval. 3rd. 2nd. Jump down here. 2nd interval. 3rd interval. 2nd. Okay, so these ones are pretty hard. It might be a good idea to go through and work on each individual part in the practice mode, just so you can get it nice and clean. It's important that you're in the right positions, that you're in the A minor positions, and you're jumping and making sure you get that thumb and your pinky where it needs to go. Okay, so go ahead and work on this, and good luck.